4.9, Modeling with Polynomial Functions, page 220 to 222. Concept number 1, and the only concept we have in this one, is writing a cubic function. Alright, so first things first, it says write the cubic function of the graph shown. Well, I know it's a cubic function because I can see it only hits 3 times. Alright, hits the x-intercept 3 times. So therefore, I do know it's a cubic function. And when I have this, I'm going to say y equals a times x minus k times x minus k times x minus k. Okay, so those x-intercepts are the x minus k, so that's why I have 3 of them. Alright, and then basically I have this 3 x-intercepts right there, and then I have this other point, which is an xy, right? So I have the x and the y. X is 0, y is -6. And what I'm going to need to do is solve for a. So I'm going to plug everything in there. Okay, so y is -6. A is unknown. X is 0. And then it's going to be minus, and then minus -4, which I'm just going to change it to +4, okay? Minus -4 is +4. Then I have 0 minus, and then it's going to be 1. And x is 0 minus k, which is 3. Alright, there I took everything from the graph, I put it in the equation, I'm going to solve for a. So I get -6 equals a times 4 times -1 times -3. -1 times -3 is +3 times 4 is 12. A, and that equals -6. Divide by 12. And a is equal to -1/2. Alright, perfect. Now all I need to do is write the function. So I have y here initially. Y equals, I'm going to replace a with -1/2. And then it's going to be x minus -4, so it's really going to be x plus 4. X minus 1. And x minus 3. And this is the answer I'm looking for. Although I kind of like this one better. F of x equals -1/2 times the quantity of x plus 4 times the quantity of x minus 1 times the quantity of x minus 3. I just like the f of x better than the y. Doesn't really matter, I don't think. It's, they're both good answers. They're both the right answer. I just kind of prefer this myself. And that is it, you guys. That is the only concept we're going to go over. So I want you to try number 2 here, and I'll go ahead and show that. Give number 2 a try. I'm going to go ahead and show you the answer for that in just a second. So pause if you need more time. And here you go. Here is the answer to number 2. That's a wrap.